Hello everyone, this is Papa of It's Gma and Papa. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you a few of my knife collection. I'm a knife collector. I love cutlery. It's so very personal. Of those of you out there who are into cutlery, you know what I'm saying. This collection is my Balisong collection. I'll start off with this one. It's made by Bear & Son. I've had this one quite a while. I have had other Balisongs in the past. If I had them all that I have had, I probably have 20. This one here is Filipino made. First time I saw a Filipino Balisong was when I was in high school, and the local pawn shops had them in their window. This looks just like one of them. We're talking early 70s. This, I don't really remember the name brand, but it's one of my fancier Balisongs. I really like it because of the curved blade. It almost looks Middle Eastern. This one here is also a Bear & Sons. It's mahogany wood. It's got screws and pins, and the reason for that is some of these Balisongs, when they come to you, the best ones come with the pins already staked on both sides. Some of them are just like screws that after time will back themselves out and you tend to lose them. I lost 2 of the screws on this particular Balisong, so I had to replace it with a screw and a nut and a washer. But nevertheless, it's one of my favorites. And this one here is also one of my favorites. I don't know who it's made by. The only thing that it says on it is that it's CR13 steel blade. It doesn't have a manufacturer's name. This is the one that I carry all the time. I will be presenting other of my knife collection further down the road. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of my presentation. Thanks a lot. God bless. We'll catch you on the flip side. That's called the Filipino flip.